Hey guys, today I just wanted to circle around on the installation of the Ring doorbell. The reasons why I decided to just use the battery versus using the hard wiring. I decided to go with the battery because the casing on the side of the door was too thin for the size of the Doorbell 2, Ring Doorbell 2. So I went with the battery. However, I was very pleasantly surprised how long the battery is lasting. It's now about 2 weeks. The battery is in the Ring doorbell, which you can see here that it's still about 3/4. I would say somewhere about 3/4. This maybe it's a little bit less than that 3/4 charged, which is pretty good. So my guess is about a month I'll have to change the battery. So what I did do, like I said in that video, is I went out and I purchased a second battery so I can just charge this. And when I get the warning from Ring to change the battery or low battery, I'm then going to just snap this one in, pull the other one out, throw it on charge, have it as a backup. So I'm probably going to have to do this 12 times a year, maybe more in the winter time. Probably require me to do it more because winter and batteries don't go along very well. I did buy a second battery. That's the answer to the problem of removing a battery and then have to charge it, then you don't have the Ring working for a little while. This allows you to just snap one in after you pull the old one out that's dead. I wanted to also give you an overview of my thoughts of the Ring doorbell. I mean, this thing is awesome. I had decided I'm going to install one actually at the back door of my house now too, but a camera form type, not a doorbell type, which will give me a larger area that I can see. I get notified all the time when there's motion in front of my door. If someone comes up the stairs and they don't ring the bell, the camera picks it up and it notifies me that someone is in front of my door. Freaking amazing. It's unbelievable. I've had absolutely no issues with the Ring doorbell malfunctioning or anything with it. It's been better than my cameras in the house. So I highly recommend the Ring doorbell system. I think it's great. It's also tied to my refrigerator, so when someone rings the bell, it pops up right on the screen on my refrigerator. They thought this Ring doorbell out pretty well. It was well engineered and they really did a great job. So like I said, I highly recommend it. You can also view any motion videos, so it keeps an event history in here. So you can go back to the event history and it'll give you a whole list of what time the actual event happened. And then you just click on it and you can watch the video on what happened at that time, who was at your door, if anybody, or was there a UPS guy, FedEx guy dropping off, or the guy ripping off your packages. It could be any of those things. But yeah, very happy with the product. If you don't have one, I would recommend you get one. I get no sponsorship or anything for this. I'm just recommending the product as a person who has bought one and installed it, and I'm very happy with the product. So that's my video for today. Thanks for watching. Please share my videos. Subscribe if you like what you see. Hit the bell so you get new content. And give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.